Hello, friends. Data science, a trending technology, and completely into data analytics, data mining, artificial intelligence, and statistical analysis. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice oriented classes from scratch. At our SQL School, we are going to learn the data scientist activities, the data science training program. As a data scientist, we are responsible for performing data orchestration and big data analytics, perform statistical data modeling and engineering activities, data mining and deep learning using Python, machine learning activity using Python, R, and Spark, using or implementing artificial intelligence, performing predictive modeling activities using R and Python. I understand the list is bit bigger, list is bit interesting and vast, so we need to learn it slowly, step by step, and master the program. We are going to start with SQL first, then slowly step into Microsoft Power BI towards data analysis and orchestration activities. Then we go for Python analytics again for analysis and orchestration activities. So in this particular data science fundamental course, we are into point number 1 on the screen. Out of 5 points, out of 5 points, we are into point number 1. At our school, promising you complete practice oriented classes, completely into real world activities. This particular data scientist fundamental course that is planned for about 11 weeks to say almost 12 weeks, say 3 months, exclusively on number 1, SQL, Power BI, Python analytics. SQL concepts will be learning from scratch, right from the basics for about 3 weeks. Then comes Power BI, big data analytics, orchestration, modeling activities for 4 weeks. Then comes Python analytics for extra 3 weeks, a total 10 weeks, and then comes project work. Say plan for about total of 3 months for 1, 2, 3 items, and then later next level you would opt for or statistical analytics, Spark, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data mining, and deep learning. In fact, AI is now part of even Power BI, also part of our course curriculum. So, the Microsoft Data Science training plan, we are going to start with database concepts first, SQL Server, and Transact SQL concept first to start with. Once we do this Transact SQL activities, then next step we are going to step into Power BI and Python analytics, either in parallel or in sequence as per your comfort. My preference in sequence, Power BI first, Python analytics next. We are not into programming, we are not into development. Let's concentrate on what is needed to learn. Let's not miss it. So we are into analytics, not into programming. Our tailor made, carefully curated Python course is mainly for data analysis and for business analysis and data science activities. Later, you may do the blue boxes level 2 later down the line on the screen. So, classes would be completely into practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics. I assure you once again, detailed, step by step, job oriented program. We assure you once again concept wise assignments, concept wise handouts, concept wise examples to make sure we love what we learn and we love our job work. We want you to thank us from your job desk. So, why to wait? Let's upskill today. Let's choose data science. Contact me directly. I'm your trainer, Sai Fanindra. You may contact me on LinkedIn or on my WhatsApp, or you may call our award winning team, a friendly support team, to clarify your questions. Thank you so much. See you soon in our actual live demo session. You may visit our website for the latest schedules or reach us on any of the numbers you see on the screen. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.